Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Revitalize your electrical troubleshooting with the innovative Circuit Breaker Toolkit, a must-have companion for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This remarkable tool locates the precise circuit breaker needed for outlets or fixtures, streamlining your workflow and saving precious time. The digital circuit breaker finder, equipped with an integrated GFCI outlet tester receiver, clearly signals when you've pinpointed the right breaker on 90 to 120 volt AC circuits, making it ideal for various residential and commercial settings. Its transmitter not only identifies breakers but also checks wiring conditions and tests GFCI devices, ensuring a safe and thorough inspection. The accessory kit further enhances its versatility with a 3-prong to 2-prong grounding adapter for improved compatibility, a light socket adapter for effortless circuit identification in lighting fixtures, and an alligator clip adapter that extends the tool's functionality to bare wires. This comprehensive kit transforms circuit diagnostics into an efficient and user-friendly process. Introducing a drill that adapts to your every task with ease, blending speed, power, and versatility in one lightweight package. This cordless wonder lets you switch effortlessly between drill and driver bits, thanks to its innovative rotating 1/4-inch dual chucks. The advanced brushless motor delivers 65% more power than its predecessor, churning out an impressive 445 Nm of torque and reaching speeds up to 1700 RPM, ideal for driving screws and drilling through wood in record time. Its intuitive digital interface remembers your chosen torque from 9 settings, so you never have to stop mid-job to readjust. Weighing just 2.4 pounds and designed with a compact width, it reaches those tight, hard-to-access spots effortlessly. With a variable speed trigger and a robust 2-speed gearbox, this drill driver is engineered to tackle both everyday projects and more demanding tasks with equal ease. Discover the NEU Master Pneumatic 2-inch 2-in-1, a versatile powerhouse designed for precision and ease of use. It features multiple tool-free adjustments, ensuring a seamless transition between nails and staples, while the 360-degree rotatable exhaust guards your work area from debris. The innovative design includes a tool-free jam clearing system, a quick-release magazine that holds 100 fasteners, and a convenient view window to prevent dry fire dents on your surfaces. The kit comes fully loaded with 1,000 pieces of hardware, 400 nails at 2 inches, 400 nails at 1 1/4 inches, and 200 narrow crown staples at 1 1/4 inches, packed in a durable BMC case, along with safety glasses, a bottle of lubricating oil, and 2 Allen wrenches. The sequential trigger and ergonomic rubber grip handle provide both comfort and control, making it ideal for woodworking, upholstery, flooring, molding, roofing, and more. Operating efficiently within a 70 to 120 psi range and featuring a 1/4-inch NPT air inlet, this lightweight yet durable nailer is perfect for DIY projects, pet houses, furniture building, and any finishing application where quality and performance matter. If you're in the market for a versatile router that combines power with precision, this compact 1.25 HP tool is designed to impress. Its robust 6.5 amp motor and 1.25 horsepower deliver ample energy for a wide range of routing and trimming tasks, while the variable speed control dial lets you effortlessly adjust the pace to suit different materials. The smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment mechanism guarantees accurate results in cabinetry and woodworking projects. And dual bright LED lights illuminate even the darkest workspaces for improved visibility. Designed with user comfort in mind, the router features a rubber-covered handle and a quick lock system that simplifies depth adjustments and base swaps. Built with a durable aluminum body and base, it's engineered for long-term use, and the integrated dust hood helps maintain a clean work area. Organize your tools in the most neat and easy-to-use way possible. The collection includes 3 distinct sizes to suit your every need. Constructed from high-quality, impact-resistant molded ABS plastic, the organizer easily secures both deep and shallow sockets in SAE and metric sizes. Its clever design features removable clips that allow for quick customization and effortless cleaning, ensuring the perfect fit for multiple sizes on a single rail. Available in vibrant blue, classic black, and striking red, finding your SAE or metric socket has never been easier. Whether neatly arranged in your toolbox, mounted vertically or horizontally on a wall, displayed on your workbench, or stored in a drawer, this socket holder offers convenient accessibility. With AMM's round-the-clock customer support ready to assist you, managing your tools becomes as satisfying as it is efficient. Enjoy the blend of functionality and style in every detail of this indispensable organizer. In the world of automotive repair and heavy-duty maintenance, having reliable tools is crucial, and this mechanic socket set truly stands out. Featuring advanced direct torque technology, it minimizes fastener rounding while delivering a secure, confident grip. An essential feature for both professional mechanics and dedicated DIY enthusiasts. Its innovative design is fully compatible with both O-ring and retaining pin systems, making it an excellent choice for impact socket applications. Each half-drive impact socket is precisely marked with laser etchings, ensuring quick identification even in a bustling workshop. Constructed from heat-treated CR440 steel, this set isn't just impact-ready. It's engineered for enduring performance, offering the durability and reliability you need to get the job done right every time. Discover a new level of versatility with this advanced multi-process welding machine. Designed to handle gas, solid wire MIG, gasless flux core MIG, stick, MMA, spot welding, and lift TIG with an optional spool gun connector, this machine meets every welding challenge. Its digital control system automatically sets the ideal current and wire feed speed based on the chosen welding wire diameter and gas type, while still allowing you to adjust the welding current to match your personal style. Enhanced features like adaptive crater, burn back adjustment, and pre-flow post-flow functions boost welding efficiency, and the dual 2T4T modes offer flexible operation. With the ability to store 10 preset parameter groups for each welding mode, you're ready for your next project at a moment's notice. The innovative LED screen provides clear, precise data at a glance, and its portability with a built-in handle and shoulder strap makes it perfect for outdoor maintenance, farm work, road equipment repair, or home DIY tasks. Introducing the semi-automatic driver, a versatile tool that transforms everyday tasks into effortless achievements. Its innovative slide-action bit changer lets you quickly switch among 6 essential bits from Phillips to flathead and 4 other favorites with a simple flick of your thumb. The powerful 4V max lithium battery ensures you have dependable driving power for up to 18 months, even if it sits idle for a while. Its clever design locks screws in place so you can operate the screwdriver with just one hand. The built-in rapid reloadable cartridge keeps your bits neatly stored, eliminating the hassle of lost pieces or fumbling in your pockets. Works tools are crafted using cutting-edge technology and high-efficiency standards, offering a cost-effective, durable collection built to last. The internal battery design means you simply connect the charger when it's time to recharge, and its lightweight build ensures you can drive screws all day without hand strain, even in those hard-to-reach spots. Introducing a versatile, high-precision meter that takes your electrical troubleshooting to the next level. This advanced device measures AC/DC current and voltage, frequency, duty cycle, diode performance, capacitance, and resistance, all with a unique DC current measurement feature that sets it apart. The 6,000 count display auto-ranges to select the perfect decimal placement for each reading, while the NCV function detects hidden AC voltage in conductors and in wall cables for safer diagnostics. With a low impedance mode that eliminates ghosting and stray voltages, plus a low-pass filter for accurately measuring variable frequency drive signals in motors and transformers, this meter delivers precise results every time. Remember to measure only one wire at a time for accurate readings. Compact and portable, it features a high-resolution, large backlit LCD for enhanced visibility, an integrated flashlight for dark areas, and a low battery indicator. All components are neatly stored in a soft, zippered pouch, making it a must-have tool for everyday use. Discover the ultimate home improvement companion designed for precision and versatility in every project. Whether you're drilling straight holes or setting an angle along the edge of a board or even on round stock, this tool adapts effortlessly to your needs. It easily attaches to any 3/8" or 1/2" cordless drill and comes complete with a 3/8" capacity chuck and key, ensuring a secure fit and reliable performance. An intuitive angle readout lets you set your drilling angle to 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, or 90 degrees with ease, so you can achieve consistently perfect results every time. Integrated centering channels on the base are expertly crafted to accommodate round stock up to 3 inches in diameter, enhancing your ability to work with a variety of materials. Our products are tailored to empower woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike, making it easier, faster, and more accurate to bring your creative visions to life. Experience a new level of sanding efficiency with this dual-action, 360-degree rotating base plate that both rotates and vibrates to create a flawless, trace-free finish, boosting your grinding performance by 30%. With 6 adjustable speed settings, you can precisely match the tool's pace to your project's needs, whether you're sanding rough surfaces or polishing for a refined touch. Designed for practical use, the sander has 8 vacuum holes paired with an efficient dust bag that improves dust collection and prevents debris from reaching the motor, extending its life. Its compact, lightweight design wrapped in soft rubber to reduce vibration makes it easy to operate with one hand, reducing fatigue and hand numbness during long sessions. Powered by a premium pure copper motor that runs up to 13,000 RPM at 2.5 amps, this sander features excellent heat resistance and a cooling system to prevent overheating, making it the ideal choice for any DIY homeowner.